Hey lovely people, Couponer Crystle here with another Walmart Ibotta haul, guys. In today's video, we're going to talk about 12 rebates, and yes, Crystle got some food rebates that she's never done before, so I have to share it with my lovely people. All right, lovely people, before we start the haul, let's do a shout out. We're going to shout out Rebecca Hines. Thanks, Rebecca. She let me know one of my videos was doing something weird. So I appreciate my lovely people keeping me in the know. Thanks, Rebecca. All right, guys, let's jump into it. The first rebate that I did, guys, was on the Tyson trimmed and ready fresh chicken. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, and I found the cheapest pack that I could find, which was only $2.32. So you do that too, okay? This is the thin sliced boneless chicken breast. All right, so make sure that you are scanning in store, guys, to make sure that the rebate matches. All right, so my final cost for the chicken was only $1.32 for a pack of fresh chicken. Great deal. Next rebate I did, guys, was on the Ballpark beef hot dogs. All right, this was priced $3.24 in my Walmart. No coupon did I have, so I paid $3.24 in store. There is a 50 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $2.74 for the beef hot dogs. Ballpark. Next rebate I did, guys, was on the Ballpark hot dog buns. The Ballpark hot dog buns were priced $2.28 in my Walmart. No coupon, so I paid $2.28 in store. There is a 25 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost for the hot dog buns $2.03, guys. Next rebate I did again, and yay, it reset, guys, was on the all laundry detergent, the free and clear. This one, you're going to make sure you scan it in store because there are two rebates that are actually attaching to this item. It's priced $6.97 in my Walmart. This is the 49 load. It's an 88 ounce bottle, $6.97 in my store. I used that $1 insert coupon out of the 1-3 Retail Me Not. I paid $5.97 in store. But again, there is two rebates attaching. There is a $2.50 rebate, and there is a $2 rebate for the all free and clear that's attaching, making the final cost only $1.47 for laundry detergent. Great deal. Next rebate I did, guys. Mac and cheese is back. Kraft mac and cheese, 98 cents. I paid 98 cents in store because I did not have a coupon, but there is a 20 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only 78 cents for the Kraft mac and cheese. And I told y'all I'm gonna do this non-perishable food rebates. All right, next rebate I did, guys, was on the Celestial Seasonings black tea. This is the energy tea. All right, they are priced $2.38 in my store. This is a BOGO rebate, so you must purchase the two. 238 times 2 is $4.76. I did use a $1 off of 2 insert coupon from this past Sunday, 110 Smart Source, so I paid $3.76 in store for the 2 boxes. The BOGO rebate from Ibotta is for $2.49. Coming back, making my final cost $1.27 for 2 boxes of the Celestial Seasonings Energy Black Tea. Okay, now let me tell you about this. I purchased this tea again because y'all know I had done this rebate before, but guess what I use it for? I use it for a treatment for my hair. I have natural hair, and y'all remember I had heat damage from my birthday in May of last year. Okay, so the caffeine in the black tea is supposed to reduce shedding, guys. So not this past week, but the week before, I believe I did the black tea rinse. I boiled the tea bags, I let it sit, and I put it in a squirt bottle, sprayed it on my hair. Yeah, so if you want to see a video of me doing that again, let me know in the comments below. All right, next rebate I did, guys, was on hot chocolate, I had a Ibotta rebate for any hot chocolate, 10 cents. And you know, those any rebates are counting in this $10 fresh start bonus. Yeah. So the hot chocolate was only priced at 94 cents in my Walmart. It's the Nestle Rich Milk Chocolate, hot chocolate. I'm going to take this to work because I have a Keurig at home, but I don't have a Keurig at work in my office. So I'm going to take this to work with me. I paid 94 cents in my Walmart. I got the 10 cents back, making the final cost for the hot chocolate 84 cents. Yes. Next rebate I did, guys, was on the Reach toothbrushes. You see, it's 2 in a pack, and they got little clear little covers on them, I do believe. Yeah, it's got a free brush cap. You better do it. All right, so there was the any toothbrush rebate, guys. So I paid 97 cents in store for this, got back my 10 cents, making the final cost 87 cents for the Reach toothbrushes. This was found in the trial and travel section of my Walmart. And also, I'm going to insert a picture of the toothbrush and the little trial size toothpaste. That pack, I scanned it, and it also worked with this rebate, guys. So give you another option. But I wanted 2 brushes. I wanted bang for my buck. So, you know, when my kids spend the night and they forget their toothbrushes or something, you know, sometimes people spend the night at our house because we're Chateau Franklin. We have fun up in here. The next rebate I did, guys, was the Listerine again. The Listerine is the trial and travel section. It's priced $1.97. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be 97 cents for the trial size Listerine. Next rebate I did, guys, was on the Simple Wipes again. The Simple Wipes were priced $4.46 in my Walmart. There is a $3 off of 2 insert coupon that I used, and I also used it on this product. I'll tell you about it in just a minute. The $1.50 came off of this Simple Wipes, making the cost in store be $2.96. Now, there is a $1 Ibotta rebate coming back, and Shopkick, guys. Now, this is the thing. First, my Shopkick, because I've done this like twice, my scan in store, which is 15 kicks for scanning in store, was grayed out, so they did not give it to me this time. However, 475 kicks for uploading the receipt, which is still not a shabby deal. That's $1.90 coming back. With the $1 from Ibotta and the $1.90 coming back from Shopkick, makes only the price of 6 cents for the Simple Wipes. I will take that any day, guys. So the next rebate and the last rebate I did was on the St. Ives facial scrub. It was priced $4.44 in my Walmart. The other half of that 3 off of 2 coupon applied to this, taking off $1.50, making the cost in store $2.94. And my 15 kicks for scanning in store from Shopkick was also grayed out as well. So I did not get the 15 kicks from Shopkick, but the 475 kicks will apply, which is the equivalent of $1.90. So how to figure that out, guys? You take the 475 times 0.004 equals $1.90. So I'm getting back $1 from Ibotta as well, plus the $1.90 from Shopkick, makes the final cost 4 cents for the St. Ives. That's still a great deal, guys. Great deal. All right, guys, let's talk about the money. How much did it cost? The total of everything was $33.33. Of course, I used Ibotta money. I redeemed $20 from Ibotta so I could pay for this deal. All right, I had $5 in coupons, so that dropped my cost down in store to $28.33. And I redeemed a $5 Shopkick gift card, which dropped my cost even lower to $23.33, guys. Now, let's talk about how much I got back from Ibotta. My Ibotta rebates was $12.14 in rebates. I hit my January level 1 bonus, which was only 50 cents, but I will take it, okay? That was for completing level 1 and redeeming 35 rebates, all right? So next, I will get back $3.80 from Shopkick for the St. Ives and the Simple Wipes, making the final cost $6.89, guys. For 12 items, that is 57 cents an item. Amazing. Little haul, but mighty, guys. I love it. I love Ibotta, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Let me know in the comments below of the video if it was. What rebates you guys are going to do, and if you have completed your Fresh Start $10 bonus. Let us know in the comments below. We want to know what your progress is. Shout out to all my new subscribers, my lovely people. I appreciate you guys so very much. And remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.